Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking hardware levels so the EQ is the only variable. Set your head unit and amp to unity or flat. That prevents gain changes from confusing measurements. Place a calibrated mic at the driver's ear or the primary listening position, then play pink noise at a safe target around 85 dB. Record a baseline frequency response sweep so you know what peaks and dips to correct. Once done, save this reference file. It becomes your roadmap for targeted EQ moves. Now you address the obvious issues. Reduce narrow resonant peaks first using narrow Q values between 3 and 6, cutting 3 to 6 dB initially to avoid overprocessing. For broad tonal imbalances, apply wider Q or shelving filters and make smaller incremental changes. While correcting frequency, verify time alignment and phase coherence between sub and mains. Misalignment can mimic EQ problems. Use the measurement app to iterate. Apply a change, measure, and compare to the baseline until the response is smoother and more natural. Finish by switching from pink noise to real music and do a /B comparisons so you judge musicality, not just graphs. Make tiny adjustments, 1 to 2 dB, focused on what sounds right and resist large boosts that introduce distortion. Once satisfied, save presets and test at different volumes to ensure consistency. If things still sound off, re-examine wiring, gain staging, speaker polarity, and mic placement. Many persistent problems come from phase, clipping, or a misplaced mic rather than the EQ itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.